Hi, welcome to my channel. So I thought I'd pop on the camera and I made this last night. So I wanted something for my purse or right next to my bed or, my nightstand or whatever, that I could keep track of all of the Christmas gifts and stuff that I've gotten family. Now, I buy Christmas gifts kind of all year round, and so I have a secret place in my house that I keep all of my Christmas presents, and then I lose track of what I have bought. So now that it's really ramped up to Christmas season and I really need to get my list going, so my holiday daily is more of a inspirational, creative journal for me. It's something that I can document writing and that I use as a keepsake. So I designed this to be something that I can just use and then take the insides out and then reuse it again later. So I have this chenille fabric, and it's really pretty, and it's got, raised fabric on it, flocked like fabric. And I thought, oh my gosh, this would make a great little journal because it's like snowflakes and it's warm and cozy. So then I made this beaded tassel that says joy, and if you spin them around, there's snowflakes and stuff, and then I use some pink beads and put that on there. This is just a book. I have not altered it. It was just a random book that I did not, do anything with the spine. I just took the pages out. So then on the inside, I made this one I made it a elastic so that where's my signatures? So I have two signatures in here on a bungee here, which is made out of that. And I can take my pages out, and like I said, I can take them out when I'm done, and I can reuse this again next year. So what I did is I just covered this book with that fabric, and then I found some book pages that I wanted to see on the inside. And right here, I thought this was really appropriate. Let me zoom down just a tad. Is a recipe for a happy Christmas. Fill a house with equal parts of love, hope, and peace. Add the joy of children and the strength of older people. Season with the music of laughter and some mistletoe kisses. Warm before a crackling fire and serve with comfort of tidings and joy. So I just thought that was just really neat. That's what I wanted to see when I opened up my little notebook. So then I just kind of went through and I just personally chose some papers that I wanted to see and in my book. And then the back is from this same book. Let me grab the book for you so you can see it. It is, I love this book. This is Christmas Joy by Susan Branch. Susan Branch has a bunch of books, and her style of pages are just really cool. She kind of has like cursive writing and just all kinds of Christmas things in these books, and I just love this, and I can't wait to use it in something. So you can see I tore out a page here, which is probably one of these. So anyways, let's do a flip through. I kind of just, like I said, got random thrifted papers, recycled papers. Like all of my stuff is recycled. So this is just a press on. Let me grab it here. Right here, it's one of these. It's just simply stated. It's a hand-lettered rub-on words. And so I have the rest of it here somewhere. But so I rubbed on the word winter, and then I put Dear Santa, because this is my Christmas lists of what I'm getting my family friends. So then I have lots of space in here to make notes. I wanted some things to look at as well. So this is a coloring book. Here's some pretty stationery paper. I can write some more list here. I can write more list here. I stamped this. Here is a children's book page. I want to feel good when I'm writing my list and looking through, you know, my book. So I put in a couple, this is a little golden book book page. Here is some more little stamping. I put Burr here because they're outside. This is just a flip where I can make some more hidden list and notes. And then this one I made a pocket so I can stick receipts in. Coloring book page, scrapbook paper. It's another stationery paper. I just stamped here. Here's my elastic in the middle. This is a cutout of some wrapping paper. I just kind of dolled it up to how I wanted. You know, here's some washi tape. It's kind of like cups of cocoa. I thought it would go good with this. So maybe I'll write here, maybe items that I'm going to take on my Christmas trip, items that I'm going to bake, just a reminder list. Stationery. Here's the other part of the book page. Some more. This is some washi that I did here. Sticker, coloring book page. And then this is the back page. I did a stamp there. So this is the first signature. Here's the second signature. I put a little tab on it so that I can actually, you know, find it really easy. Here's another pocket for receipts. Did some die cutting there. This is some vintage wrapping paper. A lot of this stuff actually, a lot of the stuff is vintage. Like this is vintage. This is some type of like a scrapbook and paper. I did some stamping. Here's another, nope, I didn't glue this one down. It just got stuck. There we go. So here's another flip out part where I can make notes. This is a pocket. Here's a book page. Another pocket for receipts and whatnot. Here's some washi. I just made it look pretty, and wanted this to be a quick little notebook that I can write notes and lists, reminders, things like that, and I can stick in my purse, and it's small enough to carry around. I've got some, what do they call these? Bridge. These are bridge, and these are really neat for actually writing little lists. So I'm going to stick these in here. So I've got several different types of those I'll stick in there, and I really don't want to bulk this up because the spine is only so big, and it's only just for the holiday season, so I didn't make it that big. This is a roller stamp, some stickers, more stickers, and then another pocket, and that's the back. And then this one is Christmas won't be without any presents. So I thought that was really cute. So this is my little book, my little pocket book. It doesn't measure very big. It's only 4 3/4 by 6 1/2. So it's perfect size to fit in my purse, or like I said, next to my nightstand, or next to the end table by my couch where when I'm sitting and thinking about things and making lists. So I can just carry it around, and it's secret. Nobody's gonna know what it is. So I just thought I'd pop on the camera and share this little idea, and thought I would just share it with everyone what I made. And I made this, literally started it yesterday, and I finished it. It's 6 o'clock in the morning right now, so I finished it this morning. So yeah. All right. Hope everyone's holiday creativity is going, and we'll talk to y'all soon. All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.